Because tell your wife, I don't want two of you to divorce. Huh?
It's almost done.
No. I don't want divorce. Huh?
How did you know?
What was the question?
How did you know?
And what did you answer? If not for anything, because of those little beautiful children. I know the Lord who reveals secret to me says that you are on the way of divorce, and I don't want it to happen. It will bring disaster upon the family and the children. Peace is the way forward. Huh?
It's too much for me.
I know everything has solution, and God will restore you.
Amen.
Money will come.
Amen.
Man will